everyone, today we're going to show you how to set up and run a messenger party using the messenger party template. So on my screen, you see a PDF version, but Narix has also provided a Word version. You can download either one of these from the resource, save them to your desktop, and you can personalize anything in the Word version. So let's get started. You'll want to open the Messenger app, and you can do this on your phone or your desktop, but I'm going to demonstrate this on my desktop. So at the top right corner, this little pen and paper icon, you can click this to compose a message. Yours may look a little different than mine if you already have conversations, so bear with me. Right here, you'll want to start adding your host and one more person to the group. This person can be a party guest if you know them. It can be a family member, a team member, really anybody. You just need to make sure that there's 3 people in the group total, so it makes it an actual group. Once the host starts to add guests, then that person can leave the group, but you just need to have them so you can make the group and get it started. So I'm going to add my host and I'm going to add 1 guest. And I am going to just type a message to create the group. Perfect. Group is created. How easy was that? So now you can name the group. Top right-hand corner, you're going to click these 3 dots. You'll hit Customize Chat and change chat name. I'm going to name the group and hit Save. Remember, when naming your group, check compliance guidelines on how exactly to name your party. So those 3 little dots at the top right, when you click that, you can also change the theme, change emoji on your group, and even the chat photo. So there are a lot of options on how to personalize this. So once the group is created, you should be able to click right up here and see the group members. If you click the 3 little dots right here next to each guest, you can select who to make an admin. So I'm going to choose to make my host the admin. That way she can start adding her guests. Make admin. So let's start using the template. So I'm going to go to the Word template and scroll down, and I'm going to go grab this EnviroCloth post. So I've added some fun emojis here, and they may look kind of funny in Word, but when you copy and paste them into Messenger, the emojis will populate. See how great that is? So with this post, I also want to add a video. So I'm going to go to my desktop. I have already downloaded and saved all the videos that I want to use from the resource to my desktop. Messenger Party videos and graphics. So here they all are. I am going to grab the 1-minute EnviroCloth demo video, and I am going to drag that over to the message. So now you see in my post all the verbiage that I put in there and the video. All you have to do is hit send, and there you go. So now on my group, you can see that I have sent some information about the EnviroCloth and the video, and I can just super easy play the video. So within the group message, sometimes you'll have chatter back and forth, sometimes you won't. It really just depends on your host and how they like to party. You want to drive interaction with guests so that they'll reach out to you individually. No matter what the connection is, just make it happen. So now that we've done the EnviroCloth video, let's work on one more message. This time, let's do it with a series of graphics. So I'm going to do the cleaning paste post. I'm going to scroll down a little bit to right here. I'm going to copy. And I'm going to go back to Messenger and paste this into the message. So before I hit send, I'm going to go back to my file, and I am going to grab all of these before and after images. And I am simply holding the control key on my computer, and I am clicking each image that I want. So I am going to then drag and drop into the message. And it may take a minute or 2 just for them to load if there's more than like 2 or 3. So all I'm going to do from there is hit send. You scroll up, you can then see the information about the cleaning paste, what it does, the emojis that I added, and a series of before and afters. You can simply click and even scroll through. Cool, right? If I want to back out, hit the X button and it'll take you back to the message thread. So at the end of the party, you'll want to have a post that includes all of your personal information, link to your VIP group, a link to shop, and anything else that may be helpful. All of your contact information if they don't already have it. Just refer back to the messenger party template if you've forgotten any of this at all. There's words to say and prompts to help you along the way. If you haven't already connected with your guests one-on-one, towards the end, when it comes to shopping, this is a really, really good opportunity for this. Have your guests private message you their contact info so you can stay in touch with them and send VIP group info. Hope this was helpful, guys. Talk to you soon.